Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are on day 9 of the 30 days of beauty and today's is makeup storage. So I'm going to take you through my makeup storage. It's not really a storage, it's more of a try and cram it to where it will fit. So yeah, if you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any good makeup storage tips, then let me know as I probably need them. Okay, so I'm going to show you where I store my makeup. Okay, so just very quickly, so just behind me on some shelving I have some of my makeup palettes, my favourite ones, the Jaclyn Hill ones, and then we move down to my brushes. Now my brushes, if I pop it up there, my brushes I have in an old candle holder, so they fit quite nicely in there. I've also got some brushes in a cup and then my pencils I have all in a candle holder as well. On the next shelf down, I don't know whether you can see that, I think my legs are in the way, these are all makeup palettes. I just have them shoved on that shelf. And then on this shelf here I've got my blushes, all my blushes are there, my Glow wrinkle treatment and my PMD clean, and then I have bronzers and contours there, and then the next shelf up is all my highlighters. This so needs organising. I wish I knew that this was the challenge for today. So on this shelf here we have all of my foundations and primers and setting powders, as you can see there. They are in no particular order, just shoved in. And then the next shelf down is setting sprays, eyelashes, mascaras and makeup removing, like micellar water. And then in this cupboard can you see, I have brought these little baskets. Oh, everything's gonna fall out, told you. So I got this little basket, like a little shopping basket from Tiger, and I brought a load of those, and that's all my lipsticks. All my lipsticks are in there in no particular order really, and yeah, they look awful and I hardly ever go in there. And on that bottom shelf, another little basket there, and that's just got like pigments, which I never go into either. Yeah, that was just a little quick tour of my makeup storage. Not really storage, as you can see, it's stored away, and I ideally would like to have everything in drawers. I mean, I like the brushes in these pots, and I do like the palettes on the shelves behind me. I do need to move the other palettes just so they're a little bit easier accessible, and when I turn around, so when I'm sat at my desk, I turn around and I instantly just grab a palette, and it's usually one of these palettes because they're up high and because they're there looking at me. So to use my makeup, I need to see it. Does that make sense? If it's there looking at me, I will gravitate towards it. If it's hidden away like that lot in the cupboard, I don't tend to go in there to get it out to look, which is really stupid. I need to get it out. I need it to be accessible, easy to look at, and then I can just pick what I need. So I do need to sort that out, and I will at some point, but I'm not really sure what I could do with it. lipsticks I find are the hardest things to store because they're all different shapes and sizes, you know, and your liquid lipsticks are long tubes, and some glosses long tubes, some are short, stubby, some bullets are round, some are square, some are hexagon. They all have different shapes and sizes. Some of them have the colour on them, you know, one end, and then some of them will have it on a completely different end. They're all different and they're all so awkward. They don't stand up. They don't, I don't know, they're just awkward to store. So if you have an amazing like lipstick storage, then let me know, tag me on a picture or something. Just, I want to see good lipstick storage. Everything else I can kind of cope with, and I could, you know, arrange it in a good way. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Probably not, because I didn't have much to give you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.